Can red light therapy treat your sinus infection? Do you suffer from sinus infections and sinusitis? A sinus infection, or sinusitis, is painful. It's uncomfortable and can literally lay you up. But what is a sinus infection and what causes it for you? A sinus infection, or sinusitis, occurs when the sinus cavities become inflamed and swollen, often leading to mucus buildup. The causes of sinus infection include viruses, bacteria, or allergies. You may experience symptoms such as nasal congestion, facial pressure, pressure under and around the eye area, headaches, fatigue, and just general misery. Sinusitis is awful if you suffer from it. So, what can you do to alleviate your suffering? Whilst you might be taking medication to treat your sinusitis and its symptoms, you might want to consider looking at a complementary treatment that you can use in the comfort of your own home, in just 10 to 15 minutes a day, and one that you can possibly use alongside any medication you are currently taking, and that is the use of red light therapy treatment. You may have heard about this type of treatment before. You might associate it with the beauty industry, but that is not the whole picture. Light therapy, and in particular, red light therapy treatments, are used not only for the cosmetic industry, but also by healthcare practitioners in the treatment and recovery process of muscular and joint injuries. The red light process can assist in speeding up a patient's recovery time. I am sure that you know of someone, maybe even yourself, that will have had infrared treatment on a muscle strain. But what is red light therapy, and can it help with your sinusitis? Red light therapy, also known as photo-biomodulation, utilizes specific wavelengths of red or near-infrared light to penetrate the skin, stimulating cellular activity. This process enhances energy production in cells, reduces inflammation, and promotes healing. It boosts energy production in your cells by activating mitochondria, reduces inflammation, and improves blood circulation. It's been used for wound healing, joint pain, and even skin health. So, how can this work on your sinusitis? Let's talk about your symptoms first. The pain of inflammation and congestion you suffer are the biggest culprits in sinus infections. Red light therapy has been shown to reduce inflammation and relieve pain in several clinical studies. In a 2020 pilot study, patients with chronic rhinosinusitis experienced significant symptom relief after consistent red light therapy treatments. But what about the root causes of sinusitis, the bacteria and virus itself? Well, here's the catch. Red light therapy does not kill bacteria or viruses directly. But red light therapy can support your immune system by improving circulation and reducing oxidative stress, making it easier for your body to do the work. This may alleviate symptoms of sinus infections by reducing inflammation and enhancing circulation. Basically, it supports the body's natural healing processes. But remember, red light therapy is not a replacement for antibiotics or other treatments when an infection is confirmed. However, by reducing inflammation and supporting immune function, it may help your body fight off infections more effectively before they take hold of you. Red light therapy could be an answer to the painful symptoms you experience with your sinusitis. However, if you are considering red light therapy, particularly the use of a red light therapy mask in your home, please use FDA-cleared devices. Limit sessions to 5 to 10 minutes, once or twice daily. Avoid direct eye exposure. Consult a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying conditions. Remember, red light therapy won't cure an infection on its own, but it may relieve your symptoms, speed up your recovery, and support your immune system. So, if you suffer from frequent sinus infections, especially chronic ones, it could be worth exploring as a complementary treatment. Just remember, always consult your healthcare provider or practitioner before trying a new therapy. I hope that you have found this to be helpful, and if so, please like and subscribe as it helps the channel to bring you more helpful hints and tips. And for more details on the clinical trials, references, and where you can find your own light therapy mask, please check the links below in the description. Thanks for watching.